Hello, I'm in a 2011 Land Rover LR4, and today I'm going to show you how to operate your front and rear defrost settings. So first, make your vehicle's on, which this currently is, and then over here is where your controls are going to be that operate this. So this activates your front defrost, this is your rear defrost. Your front defrost is all controlled with your fan settings, so if you want it to go slower or higher, you can adjust like that. And right now, the way this front works is it blows out of a fan just right up along the bottom of the glass, so it's basically blowing heat onto the glass to help melt anything that might be there. You can adjust the temperatures here, and also still maybe a good idea to have the AC on even if you have it hot, just because that AC can help pull moisture out of the air so it's not fogging up the glass. And then for your rear, if that's on or off, that one's controlled. If you can see in the camera, there's black lines through the middle of the glass. Those black lines are a heating mechanism. So when that rear defrost is on, it helps melt any ice that might be building up. But when you're done with all these, just make sure they're turned off, and it'll turn off the defrost. And this front one you could also just turn off by turning the fan all the way off. But I hope this was helpful. I hope you have a wonderful day.